What is up, guys? Today we have a awesome review, one I cannot wait to open. It's none other than the Mix 12 Chase piece, which is none other than the Blue Thunder ride truck. Alright guys, here it is, the third Chase piece or ride truck from 2020, and this thing is really cool. So this is actually the same casting as BKT ride truck, and this is the Blue Thunder one. So this is in Mix 12, and Mix 12 was released, I believe the official release date was July 1st. However, everything with COVID and everything with Target's not getting any shipments in, all that, these trucks have been very hard to find. There's been some people, I think in Massachusetts, that found some, and I personally found this case in New Jersey. And other than that, I don't really think they're that easy to find. They're really hard right now, but the main thing is there is a site on eBay, or a place on eBay called West Coast Toy Mafia, that is currently selling them, and honestly, that's probably the only place you can get them unless you get really lucky. Now in my case, I got really lucky. I have a friend that works at Target over here in New Jersey, and he always sends me a picture of the cases when they get these trucks in, and I did see what case it was, so I ended up going there and he had the case for me. He took the double trucks out, so usually there's 12 trucks in a case, but he did end up keeping 3 of them, which I don't know what the doubles were, and he gave me the rest. So I got the whole case, all 9 of them, and lucky enough for me, it was the case with this truck right here, the ride truck. So currently on eBay, this thing is going for around $30, 30, or probably a little more than that. So anywhere from 30, I would say, to about 45 to 50, and that's because it's just so rare. So this thing is this is a really cool, I like this. I really do like the ride trucks, but yeah, Mix 12, very hard to find. If you guys consider yourself finding it now, date of filming today is currently July 11th, so right now pretty expensive, but you know, the prices will go down once the I guess once Targets decide to actually stock some Spinmaster trucks. But yeah, Mix 12, really cool design here. So I'm liking what Hot Wheels, wow, Spinmaster is doing here. So what they do now is on the nameplates, they actually have like a design or a logo, and if you look at the ride trucks, they have a little ride truck on it. I haven't really looked too much into it, but I don't know if that's actually the logo of the ride truck. Actually, it is. So if you look on the back here, it is that logo of the ride truck right there, and that's currently in the blue where it says Blue Thunder, so that's really cool. Also, one thing, since I'm kind of rambling on in the beginning, here is the rest of Mix 12. So Mix 12, there is a lot of good trucks in this mix. I really do like the Wolfshead. I think that one is going to be very popular in this mix. I also do think the Gravedigger Reckless truck, that's a awesome design. That is an awesome concept. I'm really happy Spinmaster came up with that. And I really think the Megalodon Elemental truck with the water tires, that one's going to be really popular as well. The other trucks, it's hard to say. Aftershock, of course, it's got the new slime on the hood. Wonder Woman, it's got the purple on it. Whiplash might be the oddball out. Freebird's kind of hard because it did get released right after we got the 4th of July truck. And then we have the last and final time we will ever see an Overcast series truck, which is Earthshaker. Kind of depressing to see Overcast go. I thought that was a cool concept. I thought it was a really nice touch and spin on trucks, but hopefully maybe it will be back next year with different trucks, who knows. But here it is, the ride truck. This is probably right now the most popular truck in this case, and of course it's the Chase piece. And yeah, also this too. So if you guys notice on the other boxes where it says like Series 9 or whatever it says, for Mix 12, it's green. So I'm not too sure if like every other 2 mixes it's going to be a different color, but that's a nice little detail there as well, and that actually helps out a lot. So when you're looking on the pegs and stuff like that, what I used to do was, like, you know, on the higher pegs, I would just kind of look at the nameplate, but now seeing that this is a different color, that is really nice to look for the pegs and everything. But with that being said, we're going to open up this ride truck right here. This thing is really nice. It comes with a blue wristband. And this is going to be the first truck for Mix 12 I am opening. I have not yet seen the poster or anything, so this is going to be very entertaining. So let's open this thing up and open up the third ride truck and the third chase piece of 2020. Alright guys, and here it is, the first truck in Mix 12 that I have opened. It is the Blue Thunder ride truck, and this thing is really nice looking. I really like the blue on it, and it also does come with a blue wristband, which is really nice. Once again, I'm pretty sure by now the only wristband with the truck's logo or name on it is Gravedigger. And one thing I'm really excited for Mix 12 is I never seen the poster yet. So we're gonna open this up, and obviously on the back of the poster, and I guess, yep, Spinmaster is going to continue it. On the back of the posters, it does have the entire mix of trucks. So I'm just going to slide that in there. As you can tell, Megalodon, Whoop's Head, Wonder Woman, Freebird, all them, Whiplash. There's the ride truck, on the top, Gravedigger, and all that. So now the moment of truth, or the moment I'm really kind of looking for, is the truck that's on the back of the poster. And it is none other than Megalodon. So pretty cool. We got Megalodon jumping over a car here. I'm pretty sure that was at one of the World Finals. I just don't remember which one. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I like Megalodon, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, let me fold that back up. Now looking at the truck itself. Alright, so looking at Blue Thunder itself, this thing is really nice. Definitely unique. And right off the bat, you're going to realize it is the same exact casting as BKT. So let's get BKT in here and actually compare them both. As you can tell, it is the same exact casting, same exact thing. So basically different paint job. That's pretty cool. I mean, last year all the castings were the same for the chase pieces, but really nice. I like Blue Thunder. I think it's very well done, put together. I'm just making sure the grill is obviously a little black. All right, so yeah, it's basically, yeah, same casting, all that. I just want to make sure. So Blue Thunder, here it is. First time looking at it. It does have the Blue Thunder rims from last year, which was that like baby kind of blue. Yeah, definitely a lighter blue than the truck itself. And black windshield, BKT on the tires. Yeah, really nice piece. And it looks like there's a gray piece in there for the ride truck part. And 8 seats. So really cool, really nice piece. Out of all my ride trucks, this one, I wouldn't say it's my favorite one, but it is a very nice one. It is very interesting to see that they put this truck number 3 for the ride trucks, because we basically just got the same casting with BKT. And of course, the first ride truck out of the whole mix was Gravedigger. But there it is, right there. Those are the 3 ride trucks that have been released so far. Mix 13, I believe, oh man, I don't even know when Mix 13 will be released. I think it's like August or maybe July, late July, but who knows. It's been really a struggle to try to get any truck, and hopefully you guys can find these very soon. I have yet to really see any. The only reason why I got these, like I said, was because my friend worked at Target and told me they were there. But however, when I did go there and I did like pick up the box, there was nothing on the pegs. So Spinmaster is completely empty by me in North Jersey. Targets, Walmarts, there's absolutely nothing around. The newest thing I was able to find any monster truck, diecast, or anything is the crushed cars for the Hot Wheels. Those Easter sets, I guess they were, the international ones that come with the diecast crushed cars. But yeah, it's been really a struggle lately over here. So hopefully you guys will find these soon. I know some people are finding them in Massachusetts. Some other people in New York and PA are finding them as well, as I've been told. But I don't think they found like the chase piece. I think they found like Whiplash, you know, the lesser trucks or more common trucks. But with that being said, guys, this truck is really cool. We got 3 chase pieces already. It's already, you know, mid or the second week of July, so this year's already half over. And Spinmaster, besides their I guess shipping everything out, or I don't know if it's the stores, I don't know if it's because of COVID, but it's been quite a struggle. But their trucks are really nice, really awesome. I love these ride trucks, and I cannot wait to see Mix 13's ride truck. I think it's Megalodon, so that's gonna look pretty cool. I'm kind of eager to see what that looks like. But with that being said, Really nothing much more to say about Blue Thunder. I really like the truck though. One thing I do want to look at real quick is just the back and see if it was different from BKT. No, it's not. So that's pretty cool, I guess. But here it is, the ride truck, the chase piece for Mix 12. Nothing much more to say about it. Here are your 3 ride trucks that have been released so far. I love them. They're awesome. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. And tomorrow we will look at another truck from Mix 12. Probably one of my favorites for the year. So we'll see what one that is tomorrow. With that being said, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming out very shortly.